Hello everybody, how you guys doing? Hope you guys are enjoying the week, right? You know, that's cool, man. So actually we are supposed to do this live stream since afternoon, but I was very busy. That's why I was not even able to schedule anything like live stream or whatsoever. So yeah, we are going to do our live analysis today so that we can know excuse me, what to expect next week when the market opens, right? All right, so there we go at the moment. We'll start from the beginning, which is from top to bottom. Cool. All right, so got it. Yeah, man. So that's I think it's 80 CHF, something like that. So yeah, how you guys doing? How you guys doing? Hope you guys are good. That's cool, man. You guys are coming in. All right. Let me share the stream with the community, right? Let me share with them so that they can join us as well. It is very important for them to join us and things like that. All right, so very soon they will start joining us. Okay, they will start to join us now. That's good. That's good. So come on, man. Yes, boss. We are fine, boss. That's very good. That's very good. That is very good. So it is what it is. Um. All right. So yeah. Before we get started, if there's any particular pair that you guys are looking at or you want me to analyze for you, make sure you start sending it right now via the live chat, right? So that I can just be checking it for you guys. Because it is very important, It is very important. Okay. So CHF JPY, I'm still in this trade. I'm still in it. Hopefully you guys are still in it as well, right? Even Euro JPY, I'm still in it because my final take profit is not yet triggered. I'm waiting for it to hit my final take profit, then before I can say okay, it is the right time for me to get out of the market, right? So yeah, GBP CHF, after it hits our final take profit, came back down again for another retracement, right? So no need for us to be buying this particular pair, man. No need for us to buy it based on the fact that you see what happened. So anytime from now, it might change the direction to move all the way to the downside, So it's very good for us to just monitor this trade and see how far it can move, right? So yeah, last week GBP JPY as well hit our final take profit, right? Even GBP USD. So it is what it is, man. And the fun part of it is that that I share this analysis and everything on my TradingView account, right? So this like last week it was full of free signal, right? You see this? Let me just be showing you guys. You see this? This is how it is at the moment, right? So if I play this now, you will see how is it gonna be. So let me play it so that you can understand what I'm talking about, right? So you see, if I'm playing it right now, you see, boom, went down and hit our final take profit for 80 pips, right? This was GBP USD. Take note of it again. Let me do it again, because I find it very fun, man. So you see, boom, back down to hit our final take profit. Same thing with this, though it's same pair, right? You see, boom, hit the final take profit. Same thing with this. This is GBP JPY now. You see this? Boom, hit final take profit for 120 pips. And this one as well. This is NZD card. Hit final take profit for 50 pips. Come on, man. We don't fake things here, bro. We don't fake things here. So GBP USD, I think this one hit stop loss, but I did not, after hitting our first and second take profit last week, boom, went down and hit stop loss, but we were already out of the trade. So I did not trade it again, and it is what it is. And this one is still moving in profit, right? AUD card is still moving in profit. You can see it, still moving in profit. So it is what it is, man. It is what it is. So that's how it is. Even though Euro JPY, I shared it. Where's Euro JPY? I share Euro JPY. See Euro JPY here, man. This was Euro JPY when I shared this analysis on my TradingView account, right? So if you play it now, boom, you see that it went up to the upside. Yes, come on, man. We know what we do right here, bro. All right, enough of that, So yeah, let's start with the analysis, because that is the reason why we are here, right? And make sure if you are not following me on TradingView, just follow me for your own benefit. If you don't like it, I have no problem with that. Don't even follow me, right? So it's for your own benefit, not for me. So all I do here is to help you to know that, okay, you can still make it in the forex market, right? So I'm helping you to gain more confidence, so that you can, so that it can motivate you to do more and more, right? That's cool. So that is the reason why I'm here on this channel, trying to motivate you and, kind of tell you what to do in the market. So that's cool. That's cool. Yeah. Before we continue, if today is your first time right here on my channel, my name is Israel the Trader, and you are welcome to ITT. You are welcome to ITT. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Also, share this video with your friends and family, so that maybe there are some things that they might find very helpful right on this channel as well. So make sure you share it with them. Follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and our Facebook page, and also join our free Telegram channel, right? It is very, very important. All right, so like I said earlier on, that if you have any particular pair that you want me to analyze for you, just write it down in the live chat section, so that I can just check it out for you and analyze it, right? Okay, so somebody is saying, yes boss, we are fine boss. Okay, that's very good. Somebody is saying, we good boss, anything on V75? Yeah, okay, I'll try to check the V75 as well. What is your TradingView contact? Okay, all right. So you are asking of my TradingView username, right? All right, let me just copy right from here and send it to you. Copy, there's nothing for me to just be checking in, checking out of that. I'll just send it for you now. Boom, there you go. That's my TradingView. That's my TradingView. So you can go and check it out. And also, let me just give you guys with my social media links, right? Just bear with me as I share all these kind of things. It is very, very important for you. Let me copy it and share with you, right? Because I just want us to be connected on all of my social media handles. It is very, very important, right? Now. Oh, okay, all right. Okay. Wanted to which way is this, man? This doesn't move very well. All right, let me just not do that. Okay, so yeah, let me just paste this so that you guys can check it out as well, right? All right, so YouTube, Instagram, and things like that. All right. There we go. We now have our social media handles right there. So you can follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and also our Telegram channel, right? It is very, very important for you. Okay. So yeah, somebody is saying volatility 75, right? All right. So let me go ahead and start checking the volatility. So this is volatility 75. Remember in our last I think it was live trading London session, something like that, I told you guys when the market was right here that it's going to buy to the upside, right? So if I can just figure out which video is that, I would have played for you so that you can just know exactly what I'm talking about right now. So this was where the market is before I told you guys that, okay, it's going to buy to this point. If you remember when we did the analysis live and direct with you guys, right? So now the market came up and, you know, all the way to where I say it's going to come, right? And the next thing that we are expecting on this particular trade is on this particular pair, rather, not trade. So it can either come down to this point again and, you know, so that it can just continue the range, right? So what are you supposed to be waiting for now is that a breakout. Wait for breakout to happen. And if you're a scalper, you can scalp the market. But me personally, you know that I'm not scalper. I'm a price action trader, right? I trade price action and naked chart. And also, I'm a swing trader. So I don't just see the market like this and start trading it. Nah, I don't do that. So right now, the best thing to do on volatility 75 is to wait for breakout. Wait for breakout to happen before you know, start trading it. Or once the market came down to this level, because why I'm saying that the market should come down to this level before you start buying it, it is because I'm seeing that the market is moving to the upside. So it is an uptrending market, right? So no need for you to be selling, or no need for you to be trading against the trend. No need for you to trade against the trend. I don't know if you are getting what I'm saying. Don't trade against the trend. You know what I mean, right? All right. So what I mean by that is, if the market is moving to the upside long term and you go there and start selling it, that means you are trading against the trend, right? So always move with the impulse. Move with the impulse, you know, because there is something that we call impulsive move and corrective move, right? So always move with an impulsive move, not a corrective move, you know, because in this forex market we have pullback, corrective move, all they are same thing, but you know, different names. So yeah, that's it for that. So what I'm saying is, wait for it to come down to the downside, and of course I'm seeing that it's going to come down right here from top to the bottom, to come down from this point before it will start to move to the upside, right? So that's it. Then definitely I'm seeing that it's going to break to the upside. When it breaks to the upside like this, then what I'm supposed to wait for is a retracement to this point, you know, to come down to this before it will eventually go up right there again. See that? But make sure that you know what I'm talking about, and also make sure that you are a price action trader before you understand what exactly I mean right here on this volatility 75, right? So it is very, very important for you to, you know your candlestick patterns, know the price action and things like that, because it will help you to kind of predict where the market is going to go. Remember, I'm not just predicting this randomly or trying to say, okay, this is what is happening, this, that, and just, you know, kind of gambling it, right? When some certain traders kind of argue with me, they say, hey, Israel, forex trading is gambling. I kind of tell them that, come on, man, forex trading is not gambling. It's all about knowledge, not gambling. You know that anything that you gamble, you know, doesn't require any knowledge. Even small children can do that, right? They can, because it's gamble. Once you gamble it, you know, it either moves in your direction or it goes against you. That's gambling. But right here in forex trading, first things first, you are able to make very good risk management. If your mentor or your forex guru do tell you about risk management, you know, because what I discover, me personally, and what I believe in is always do a very good risk management in the market. Always, man, always. Not that I can't just get in with a very big lot sizes. Come on, man, I can do that. Not that I cannot do it, but it is my concern for my students not to be able to, you know, kind of perform a very good risk management if I'm there mentoring them, right? Because the truth of the matter is, if I'm just adding very big lot sizes on my accounts, you know that definitely they might follow what I'm doing, right? They might start adding very big lot sizes on their account and things like that. Then eventually what is going to happen? First thing, my account size is not same as their account size. Secondly, they don't have much experience like do I have in the market. Of course, some of them might even have the experience that I have, but still yet, there are some certain things that I will know in the market. You know, they might not be able to understand what I mean by that, right? So no matter how it is very good for us to perform a very good risk management, right? Let me just show you something before we come back again and start doing this analysis on volatility 75, and from there we'll go down and start, you know, doing a lot of things, because it is very, very important. And make sure, guys, you are giving a thumbs up to this video. You know, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family, because it will help the channel, and that's how you can support me as I'm, you know, sharing knowledge with you, right? Because it is very, very important, man. Very, very important. So yeah, let me continue and finish with what I'm trying to say, so that we can go ahead and start doing a lot of things, right? It is very, very important. So yeah, what I want to explain right here is that I want to show you all this before and after. Before and after is not a magic, man. Come on, man. So that's why I say it is very important for you to join our free Telegram channel as well if you're new here, because last week almost all of my signals I sent it to this my free Telegram channel. And you know how many pips we took last week? Come on, man, see it right here. There was nothing like stop loss. Even this ADJPY, it was a manual close with -6 pips. Even my students can testify to this, right? It was -6 pips. Not that we had a stop loss here. There was nothing like stop loss here and things like that on this. You know, it was a manual close. So we were able to take advantage of 570 pips, you know. If you follow all of my signals, this is what you are supposed to be making last week. You have made 570 pips on your account, right? And all of these trades that you see, EURJPY, AD card, GBP JPY, CHF GBP USD, AD JPY, GBP NZD, NZD card, all of them, I shared it in this free Telegram channel. It wasn't only for my students, man. So last week was Thanksgiving and Black Friday, right? That's why I said, okay, let's just celebrate you with a lot of pips, right? And we were able to take advantage of the market, capitalize it, took about 570 pips. Come on, man, stop kidding me. 570 pips is not easy. It's not easy task, man. All right, enough of that. So what I'm trying to say is that, hope you guys have seen my account right here, isn't it? Hope you guys have seen it. This account, this very account. So not that I can't just but I don't know if you guys do see it. This very account. So you see that I'm positive $302 on this, and you see with 0.05, I'm able to make about $62 per position. You know, so what I'm trying to say is that it's not by lot size, is by how many pips are you taking. You see, with this 0.05 lot size, I'm about 124 pips on this particular trade. So it's not by adding big lot sizes, guys. It's not by that. It's all about keeping it simple and keeping it real, you know. So oftentimes new traders might be thinking that, okay, this person, you know, just entered the market with standard lot size, 10 lot size, and he's making about $10,000 without you knowing how many pips is the person taking. Can you grow your small account with those particular pips? Can you grow your small account with those particular pips? Of course you can't grow your small account with those particular pips. Compare it to if you are taking like 100 plus pips, like the way we are taking it on ITT, right? And of course you guys know that on GBP USD, I was able to take about 600 pips on that, man. 600 pips. It's not a joke, bro. And we are not lying here or trying to say, okay, we are doing this, we are doing that, right? Not bragging. We are not bragging. I'm just telling you the reality of trading, and also the opportunity you have in forex trading. Not by you adding big lot sizes and ending up blowing your account, right? Just believe me, even if you are able to flip your $100 account to $1,000 without proper risk management, tomorrow morning or even after some hours, you might even end up blowing the whole account. You might end up blowing the whole account. Then you start regretting it. Come on, man. How did that happen? This, and that, right? Start blaming maybe if you are using indicators and things like that. So it's not by how big your lot size is. It's all by keeping it simple and keeping it real, man. That's it. That's it. So you see, on this account, I'm able to make about $300. Not that I don't have so much capital to kind of risk in this account. Of course, I have it. Of course I have, and some of you guys were kind of demanding for my real account, right? Of course I shared it with you guys last week, you know, so that you can understand, okay, Israel is actually trading a real account, not a demo. Come on, man. Even if somebody is trading demo, and you know, all of the trade that I share with you guys, you know, is only this ADJPY that we were able to close manually. Took about -6 pips on it. So come on, why not you go and capitalize it on your account as well and believe in what we do right here? It's not by this one is trading demo, this one is trading. Of course, we know that the emotion on live account is not same as the emotion on your demo account, right? But most importantly, how is the person trading? Is he profitable consistently? Consistency matters in the forex market, man. Consistency matters, you know. Believe me, ever since I started this channel, ITT, we've never had negative week. The least that we took for a week is 162 pips. Plus 162 pips, not that it's negative, it's positive 162 pips, you know. So we are not bragging. It's all about knowledge and how consistent you are. That's how it is. Of course, you guys might be even say, okay, this person is able to flip $100 account to this, and so on. Of course, me too. I was able to flip $200 to 31,000, right? But it's not all about. It's not just about bragging or showing up on Telegram or things like that. Don't just believe on somebody just trying to, what does it call it? Just trying to show off, saying, okay, I made 20,000, 30,000, 50,000, this and that. I bought Lamborghini, I bought this, I bought that. Come on, man, see how I live and things like that, right? Of course, if you're a forex trader, there is a possibility for you and you can live a very good lifestyle, right? But as for me, what I believe in, stop spending, stop showing off, rather than invest your money. Invest, man. Invest than spending. It's better you invest your money than for you spending your money. It is very, very important, man. Very, very important. So learn how be wise, and don't just because you are a forex trader, you start spending your money anyhow. You buy this today, you show it off on Instagram, Telegram, YouTube channel. I bought this, I bought that. You know, come on, man. Come on. That's not what traders are looking for. They don't care about your lifestyle. What they are looking for is knowledge. Knowledge matters in the forex market. Of course, you can share your result in order to motivate them, but are you sharing the real knowledge that they need so that they can be profitable as you are profitable in the market? Are you able to do that? That's another question, man. Is your guru, whatsoever you call him, able to share the real knowledge that you need in order for you to be profitable, like how they are profitable in the market? Not just by him or her sharing, I did this, I did that, without you knowing how they're actually doing that particular thing, right? Which basically means that you don't need to make it, but you can follow somebody else, right? So come on, man, this is where the real type of forex trading comes into play. So it is very good for you to understand that forex trading, we don't rush it. We don't rush it. We don't rush the market, man. Never rush forex trading. It is a gradual process. So gradually, you're gonna make it once you are able to develop the skill that is needed from you in order for you to be profitable in the market. So all I'm doing here, and I'm doing my possible best, is to motivate you and also show you the kind of opportunity that you have in the forex market. And it's not only by saying I live a very expensive lifestyle. I live a very good lifestyle. I live this. I show you. See my watch. I bought it $30,000. See my shoes. You know, kind of all these sneakers and things like that. It's not by showing the worldly things, man. It's by giving you the real knowledge that you need in order for you to be profitable in the market. You don't care about my lifestyle. You don't care about my money. You don't care about my nothing. All you are supposed to be careful is knowledge. Go for the knowledge. Go for it. I remember somebody was trying to enroll for my course, and the person was saying, "Hey Israel, come on. Are you really trading a live account or a demo account?" I answer him and I say, "Okay, are you looking for real account or demo account?" That's what I answered him. He said that he's looking for a real account. I said, well, no problem. Let me show you one of the accounts, right? I showed him one of the accounts. He said, nah, that's not what he's asking me of. He wants to see my account is with like $50,000, $20,000. I said, come on, man, I can't show you that, you know. I told him I can't show you that if you are not interested in the course. Of course, I'm not forcing you to sign up with my course whatsoever. Nah, I will never ever try and convince you just for you to get my course, and you know, without knowing what you are going to get in my course, right? So I'm not in a position of convincing you so that I can just sell my course. Never ever. Never ever, man. That's no Israel. That's no Israel. I can never do that. So all I do is I share the real knowledge with you and show you the kind of possibilities that is in the forex market, you know. If I'm able to flip an account, I will let you know. You know, these days I say I'm not going to be showing you any account that I'm adding like standard lot size on it. I'm not going to be showing you guys based on the fact that what I just observed is that if I share all those kind of accounts that I go in with standard lot size and things like that on it, they tend to just follow my lot sizes without knowing the kind of risk management that I do on that particular account, and also they don't know my account size, right? So the thing there is that you have to know the percentage that you're supposed to be risking on each trade that you are getting in. If you are risking 1%, make sure you know it. If you are risking 2%, make sure you know it. If you are risking 3%, make sure you know it. You know, that's how it is. Forex trading, if you are able to make it consistently, come on, man. I keep on repeating this because it keeps on steering me, you know. If you are able to make it consistently, it's not all about, even if you are able to make $500 in a month, you know, it's a gradual process, man. It's a gradual process. As you are able to be making it, then you are gaining confidence in yourself when it comes to adding more lot sizes. You know, you will not be scared of the market, saying, okay, what if the market go against me and eventually hit my stop loss and things like that. Now, come on, bro. How I'm able to do that is by developing a self-confidence, you know. If you just observe, and if you've been here on my channel or on my free Telegram channel, you understand that, okay, what Israel the trader is doing is trying to teach us a very good risk management and also show us how we can able to make it in the forex market, right? So I'm not just here trying to tell you, okay, I have Lamborghini, I have this, my net worth is $1 million, $100 million. You know, come on, bro. I'm not trying to do that. Even if you say, okay, Israel, you're very poor, I agree with that. Because I was once very poor, right? Before I start forex trading, you know, I didn't start very rich. And I'm not saying that my family are rich and things like that. Nah. All it takes is knowledge. Knowledge, man. Knowledge comes first before everything. So make sure you know what you're doing in the market before you start trading the forex market, right? So all I'm trying to say is that make sure you are doing a very good risk management and things like that, so that you can be profitable in the market. That's it, man. So yeah, enough of that. Let me just come into live chat so that I can just be interacting with you guys as we go, right? As we move on with the analysis for the week, because it is very, very important for me to keep on kind of interacting with you guys. Very, very important. Sorry guys, let me try to do something and before we continue. Just give me some seconds, man. Okay, I'm trying to check something before we continue, guys. Sorry for that. Um, sorry for that, man. Just bear with me, right? 403366. Okay, boom. There we go. I think I'm able to do this. Come on, that's good. Yeah, I think somebody joined, followed the. Yeah, somebody followed me on the trading view. So yeah, there we go. I'm done with what I was doing. So yeah, so all I'm doing here is that, come on, man. I really need you to be profitable in the forex market. I have no idea of why others are profitable and you are still losing money to your broker, right? You are still losing money to your broker. So, and of course, I would have shown you one of my accounts, but for security purposes, I'm not going to show you, man. I'm not going to show you. For how long am I going to be showing you? Okay, maybe if I hide the account, anytime that we're coming live and direct, I will still show you the account, right? Because it is very important. I show you so that you can believe what I'm saying as well, right? And of course, I'm not going to be showing you a big account with $50,000, 10,000 whatsoever. Nah, I'm gonna show you my little account, man. If you say, okay, that's the only account I have, I will agree with you. I'll give you a thumbs up for that. I'll give you a thumbs up for that. I do it for myself, not for you. Remember that? I keep everything for myself. Please yourself, not pleasing others first when it comes to forex trading. Do it for yourself. So if I'm just trading demo and showing you, okay, I make this, I'm just deceiving myself by that. It doesn't make sense, right? I'm just deceiving myself. Why not trade the live account? If it is a loss, I take it. If it is a profit, I take it. Then I don't have any reason for me sharing with you guys a screenshot, this and that, without knowing that it is a demo account, right? It doesn't make sense to me. That means I'm just deceiving myself like that, man. So it is what it is, and I'm not ready for that anytime soon. I'm not ready for that. So yeah, um, okay, let me go down to live chat so that we can keep in touch, right? So yeah, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, man. Give this video a thumbs up. All right, what are you guys saying? So somebody, okay, I think I've answered that question. Somebody was asking of what is my trading view username. I shared it. If you want to follow me on trading view, check the live chat. You're gonna see my trading view username right there and follow me. Okay, somebody is asking of us trying to analyze the GBP USD, right? So the person is saying, hey, come on, check GBP USD for us. Somebody is saying Euro USD. Somebody is saying, okay, thank you, sir. All right, you're welcome, man. You're welcome, bro. I really appreciate your presence right here. Still your favorite follower. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. I should clap for you for that. Come on, man. Give you a thumbs up for that as well. Yeah. And somebody is saying, do you use Fibonacci time zone? For sure, man. I use Fibonacci as well. I use Fibonacci retracements, and I don't use it always because I can just trade it anytime I like it. It's not that I don't know how to use it. Not that I don't know where the market is going to retrace and where the market is going to continue the move, right? So Fibonacci retracement is just another confirmation that if I'm not sure of what I'm doing, I'll just use it for confirmations again. Fibonacci retracement is a very great tool. Very, very great tool. I give this Fibonacci a thumbs up, man. Thumbs up for it. Ever since I started trading, I use Fibonacci. I use Fibonacci. I see the tools that I use, man. You see what I'm just showing you on the screen, right? So I use all of them. I use those things that you see right there. Those are the things that I use. So, you know, yeah, those are the things that I use. Um, so yeah, come on, man. Um, Yo, sorry guys, was trying to check something and I was not saying anything, right? So very sorry for that. Very sorry. I'm here now. So yeah, let's go ahead and start the analysis, right? Enough of talking, man, because I've been talking and over talk, right? So it is what it is, man. Yeah, and what are we supposed to check? Okay, somebody is saying we should check GBP USD, right? All right, it is a time for us to get into start the analysis right now, man. Okay, so GBP USD, there we go. I'm very pumped up, man. I don't know what is just pumping up in me, it keeps on giving me this kind of strength, so that I really want to help you guys. Oh my goodness, I really want to help you guys. This is out of my heart, man. Out of my heart. Out of my heart. I really want to help you guys. I really want to help you guys. I really need to help you because, yeah, you guys see that last week we were still on a sell and the market came down and hit our final take profit for 80 pips, right? If you guys remember our the trade that we took last week, we took this GBP USD, right? And if you go, even if on my trading view account, I can still show you that we took this GBP USD. So this is it now. This is my trading view account, right? So, and of course, this was when I shared the GBP USD sell, and you see it. We don't do fake things here, bro. Come on, man. You see it. This was where the market is, and I say I saw GBP USD around price 1.33691. This is how exactly I do share all of my signals with my students. The first thing that I'm going to update them with is I will tell them I sold so pair or I sold blah 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 around so price, then give them, right? Later on I'll update them with stop loss and take profit. This, give them the pips, give them everything else for everything that they need so that they can perform a very good risk management on their account, because I'm showing them how to do a good risk management on their account. Because as a forex trader, you have to know a very good risk management, and it is our it like how can I even put this? Come on, man, this thing is off of my head. Like, let's say it is my anyway, let's say it is my job, right? Let's just put it this way: it is my job to teach you how to be profitable in the market. As you know, in this on this channel, my mission is to unblock forex secret for you, right? I'll unblock it up to the extent that you must be profitable in the market. So far, you are still following Israel the Trader or ITT. There's no excuse for you to tell me, hey, Israel, I'm blowing my account, I'm doing this, I'm doing that. Nah, I'm trying to do that. So let me just play this so that you can understand that, okay, I send a sell signal for this. So you see, boom, there you go. Right now, hit the final take profit for 80 pips, man. What are you talking about? So it is what it is, man. It is what it is. I don't know why people are still not profitable and things like that. It is what it is. So I'm just doing what I know that yes I'm doing, and I assure you that yes I know what I'm doing right here. I know what I'm doing right here, man. So it is up to you if you believe us or if you don't believe us, right? Of course I don't force you to believe us or anything like that. Come on, let's go down and continue the analysis on GBP USD. So actually GBP USD, I would expect GBP USD to continue to sell to the downside when the market opens, right? And of course our last take profit or final take profit last week, it was 80 pips, right? You see that my trend line got broken, and of course I was able to spot out what is going to happen right here before the market started to move, right? So there are some things, to be honest with you, there are some things that I just explain to my students and not right here on YouTube. So that's another thing again, right? That's another thing. I'm doing my best to share what you need to know as a forex trader. There are some secrets that I'm not going to be exposing right here on YouTube, man. That's where my course comes into play. So you have to get the course in order for you to, kind of have the whole idea or knowledge that you need in the market. Of course, I'm not saying that if you are following my channel, or if you are following what I'm teaching right here, then you're not going to be profitable. Of course, you can still be profitable once you put in the hard work, and also you follow what I'm doing, right? But definitely, believe me or not, there are some things that I don't share it right here. That's reality, man. That is reality. All right, so yeah, what we are going to be doing next is, so I'm expecting GBP USD to continue this sell. You guys can see that I still have my analysis and things like that. And of course, it is the time for me to get rid of all of them. Come on, man. Let's do a new analysis, right? Let's do a new analysis. You know that I was able to take about 600 pips long time on this trade. This was where I got in for my buy, man. This was where I got in for the buy, ride it all the way to the upside, boom, to this point, man. So if you go down to my channel and type swing, you are going to be seeing all the swing trade that I sent to my students. I tell them that I'm going to be swinging this particular trade, and some of them actually swing it with me, and some of them, because of lack of patience, they are not able to swing it with me. If the market retraces a little bit, they'll say, come on, Israel, the market is selling, or the market is buying, going against me, or going against us, right? So develop a self-confidence and develop patience. Learn how to be patient in the market. So once you are able to learn how to be patient in the forex market, you'll be able to take a lot of pips and also a lot of money if you know what exactly you are doing. It's not about lot sizes. Of course, it's about lot size when it comes to if somebody is scalper or things like that. And also it depends on what you believe in, man. Depends on what you believe in. So yeah, too much of talk is not good, right? Let me not just continue to be speaking about so many things, and let's just not forget about the analysis for the day and things like that as well. So yeah, so this is GBP USD now for our time frame, and of course, what I do show you guys on this channel, first of all, you have to start putting your support and resistance. That's the first thing that you are supposed to do. Whenever time you're trying to trade price action, right? So you guys know that I'm a price action trader, and I use support and resistance as well. I also use candlestick patterns, because that's the price actions aspect of it and things like that. So yeah, what are we supposed to be expecting on this trade? Come on, man. Okay, first things first, let me just ask you, what do you guys see on this daily time frame right now? What do you guys see? Let me see if you guys are seeing what I'm saying. This is daily time frame, GBP USD. What are you seeing right now on this daily time frame? Write it down or in the live chat. Let me know. Come on, man. I'm checking the live chat right now. I'm checking it. What do you guys are saying? What you guys are saying? Listening to it. I mean, checking it. Come on, man. Say whatever you say. Say whatever you say. Come on. I'm waiting for that, bro. I'm waiting for that. Okay, somebody said uptrend. Oh, right, that's cool, man. That's cool. That's another thing. An uptrend, right? Yeah, for sure. It is an uptrend. That's cool. I clap for that. That's uptrend. There's another thing. Then, okay, you can't share your screen with me. I would have asked you to say, okay, you'll have just share your screen with me, right? All right. So let me just continue the analysis and things like that myself, so that you can understand what I'm talking about right here. Come on, man. So yeah, let's start by putting our support and resistance right on this daily time frame. And you guys know that if I'm putting my support and resistance on the daily time frame, the color is going to be green. I can't just continue to stress myself that kind of much, man, because anytime that I'm putting my support and resistance, I do tell you guys that, okay, if I'm putting it on the daily time frame, you guys are supposed to be seeing it as a green. If it is on 4-hour time frame, you guys are supposed to be seeing it as pink. And if it is on the 1-hour time frame, you guys are going to be seeing it as some sort of white, but it's not complete white. You know, it's not complete white, but I do it as a white, right? So yeah, I say the maximum that I can go for, if it is for my support and resistance on the daily time frame, is 5. And you guys see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got my 5 support and resistance right here. What am I supposed to do next? Who can tell me what I'm supposed to do next? Let me know. Come on, man. Let me know. Somebody saying approaching strong resistance. Yeah, that's cool. Somebody saying an uptrending. Yeah, it is an uptrend. Somebody saying uptrend market, resistance and things like that, right? It is an uptrending market. It is an uptrending market right now, approaching major resistance level, right? And of course, we took a sell last week. That was the reason why we took a sell last week as well. And of course, I used some sort of candlestick pattern last week. If you know me, I trade about 18 type of candlestick patterns. 18 type of them. Now, not go to lower time frame. What I'm supposed to do? Come on, man. What am I even saying? Oh my goodness. What I'm saying, bro. All right. What I'm supposed to do next is me putting my trend line. That's the thing. Not you going down to lower time frame. Nah, don't try to do that, bro. Put your trend line. This is the trend line. Come on, man. Once you know what to do in the forex market, you continue to enjoy what you are doing. Like me. Come on, bro. Anytime that I'm doing analysis or whatsoever, I'm kind of happy. Because I find it very simple as of now. Very, very easy and simple. And of course, you be finding it very difficult to kind of understand how you can do these kind of things in the market, right? So, you know, this is how my trend line is gonna be, on the daily time frame. And for our time frame, this is how it is. Come on, man. Oh my goodness. I can't just continue to stress this enough. To be honest with you, I can't just stress myself enough. This was where I got in. Come on. This was where I got in when I took a swing trade. This is where I got in. I ride it for about 600 pips. 600 pips, man. It's not a joke. 600 pips is not a joke, bro. It's not a joke. So yeah, this is the 4-hour time frame right now. And what am I supposed to do next year? I'm supposed to amend my support and resistance if needed, right? And of course, I don't need to amend the support and resistance. I'll just put more of it. Then I'll just put more of it right here. Just put this, and this is gonna be for 4-hour time frame. And remember, this is my daily trend line. So actually, I will expect this GBP USD to continue the move to this point, to come down and touch my trend line. And that's, of course, I will still swing this trade, man. Come on, bro. Definitely, I will still swing it. So this is for almost 300 pips, right? I'll wait for it to finish the sell. And once it finishes the sell, come on, what is this again? I was not ready to bring out Euro USD, something like that. So yeah, once it finish the move to this point now, before I will still look out for another swing opportunity, right? And what made us to sell this GBP USD last week was this. Remember, come on, man. Let me just put it, because oh my goodness, I can't stress myself that kind of much, man. I'm laughing. You know why I'm laughing? Some people are saying, come on, Israel, this is Photoshop. Oh my goodness. I'm not even that good in when it comes to Photoshop. I'm not that good when it comes to Photoshop, man. You guys can see my thumbnails and things like that. I'm not good when it comes to Photoshop. So what I'm saying is that some people are saying, hey Israel, you Photoshop your analysis, your photo. Come on, man. If you're the one that told me that you Photoshop your analysis, I don't Photoshop anything, man. I don't. This is pure price action and naked chart trading. I don't use indicators. And if you ask me what are the best indicators to use, 50 moving average and 200 moving average. And don't be like Nigerian government official that they are saying video is Photoshop, right? Some people are telling me that my analysis is Photoshop and things like that. And even somebody, he made comments, I think it was last week, something like that. He may say that they can fake live stream. So I don't know if I'm faking live stream right now. I don't know if I'm faking it, guys. So let me know if I'm faking live stream right now, so that I should just stop the faking live stream, right? Oh my goodness. Whenever that I see this, I'll just be laughing. I'll just be laughing. I'll just be laughing. I'll just be laughing, man. It is what it is. It is what it is. So yeah, let's continue with the analysis, right? So all those people that they are saying I'm photoshopping my analysis and things like that, let them continue. I don't care about what they say. All I know is I do what I say I do, and I know I can do it. Believe in yourself, man. Develop that self-confidence. Come on, bro, you can do it. You can do it, man. Tell yourself as of now, I can do it, and you can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. If I can do this analysis and trade price action on naked chart, you can do it as well. All of us are human beings. So all of us are human beings, irrespective of you are black, you are white, you are this. All of us are human beings. So you can do it if I can do it. So the only thing is that believe in yourself. I believe in myself. That's why I have so much confidence in what I do. So you have to develop that confidence as well. Come on, man. Just take for example, some people are making millions of dollars. Let's just take for example, in the Forex market, you know how much is circulating every day in the Forex market? About how many trillions of dollars? I think it's up to $5 trillion as of now, because it was $4 trillion. I think the estimate as of now, when did I even check it? I think some days ago I checked it. It's up to $5 trillion. Come on, man. How many percent are you taking out of this $5 trillion? How many percent are you able to catch? We are not even catching anything. Nothing. So that's it. Yeah, what I saw last week was you see this? I drew this trend line. If you go down and check the analysis on my either on my free Telegram channel or on this my trading view handle whatsoever, you can check it. So I have this my trend line. Apart from the trend line that I have on my daily time frame, I still have to plot another one right here, and I'm going to change the color to be pink. Remember, I say anything that I'm doing on 4-hour time frame is gonna be pink, and daily is gonna be green and things like that. So yeah, you see that this trend line actually got broken right now at the moment after we took about 80 pips last week, right? So right now, so what I'm supposed to do now is that I'll just wait for it to come up for some sort of retracement. So next week when the market opens, we might look out for some sort of retracement in order for us to get in for a sell again. We'll still get in for a sell. Remember this. That's another point that I'm seeing right on that, right? So there is a possibility of this market coming down to this point, and of course it is right here already, right? So what am I going to be expecting next? Boom, come down to this point, retest a little bit to this trend line again before boom, continue the move to the downside, man. That's how it is. That's how it is. That's how it is. For about 300 and something. Oh my goodness, 330 something pips, almost 350, right? So this is what I'm expecting on this market, right? So yeah, I will expect GBP USD to sell next week when the market opens. So if you guys still have questions on GBP USD, you can start asking it right now before they'll say, okay, Israel fake the live stream, right? So before they start, come on, Israel, you are faking the live stream, right? All right. So ask your question right now so that I can know, yes, I'm not faking the live stream. Oh my goodness, I can't stress this enough. So yeah, somebody said people they can't always talk nonsense. Yeah, for sure, man, for sure. They can just uh talk nonsense and nonsense over nonsense, you know. So somebody saying we are really enjoying your teaching, sir. Make them no go spoil your mind for outside. Okay, that actually the person is speaking pidgin, right? If you don't know, if you don't speak pidgin, you know, somebody say make her. Not that I'm good in pidgin as well, but I speak pidgin. Make the no go spoil. Make the no go spoil your mind for outside. Yeah, they no go spoil our mind, man. They no go spoil our mind. Except we go to do wetin we fit do, you know. We go to do wetin we fit do. And now so they go see us, man. Now so they go see us, leave us, and we go see the do am, you know. Go see the do am. You go see the do am, man. That's it, bro. All right. So yeah. Since there's no question regarding GBP USD, I will expect GBP USD to sell next week when the market opens, right? And where is what do you call it? The next pair that we have right here, it is Euro USD, right? Somebody is saying we should check Euro USD for him or her. And of course, I'm just trying to answer all of you guys' questions, right? Somebody is making a request about this leverage. He says that, can you explain leverage 1 to 200, 1 to 500, and 1 to 1000? So the higher the leverage, the bigger the risk, right? So let's take, for example, I can't write here, man. I can't write here. If not, I would have wanted to just make some practical aspects of this leverage, because when it comes to leverage, no need for you to be over leveraging. So let me see if I can write with this. Yeah, I don't know if you guys will be able to see it. So 1 to 200, right? 1 to 200 and 1 to 1000. That's what the person is asking. Let me check something if you guys are able to see what I'm writing. So what will you be using as an entry trigger, and what time frame will you be using for re-entry on GBP USD? Yeah, I usually, for my entry point, I go down to smaller time frame, like 15 minutes or 5 minutes time frame. That is where I usually get in and trade my trade, you know. I can just enter my trade on the 15 or 5 minutes time frame. That is the time frame that I use for my entry points. You know, that's how it is, man. That's how it is. So and let me check something. Some people are kind of trying to do a lot of things. So it is what it is, man. So yeah, what I was saying. All right, I was trying to explain about this leverage, right? So yeah, trying to explain about leverage at the moment. So you see this 1 to 1000 leverage. So this 1 stands for your main capital. Let's take for example that if your capital is $100, right? So what I mean by your capital is if you deposit $100 into a life account, right? So let's say your money is $100 and you are using 1 to 1000 as your leverage, right? So what it basically means that it will be same as you are trading with $100,000. Come on, man, you are seeing this, right? It will be same as you are trading with $100,000. Are you getting it? So this is 100,000 now. If you are using 1 to 1000 leverage, so that means you are using you are trading on $100,000 account. So which basically means that it will allow you to add much trade compared it to if you are using 1 to 1 1 to 100 leverage, right? it will allow you, the bigger the leverage, the bigger that you can add sizes on your account. Let me just put it that way, right? So it will allow you to trade as if you are trading on $100,000 account, even if your account is just $100, right? If you are using this 1 to 100, I mean 1 to 1,000 leverage. So what it means is that you are multiplying, just take this one as your main account balance, then you multiply it by the leverage that you are using, right? So that means if your account size is $100, you multiply it by this 1,000, then it's gonna give you how many? It's gonna give you this $100,000, right? It's gonna give you 100,000. So that means that with $100, you are able to make it to $100,000, and it will be as if you are trading on $100,000 account. Remember, when I flipped that $200 to $31,000, I used this 1 to 1,000, man. I know that it was very risky, but you know, I just wanted to flip the account and leave it, man. That's how it is. Once you have the knowledge, you can do whatsoever you want in the market. So even if I lose $200, that's you know, don't have anything to be worrying about, because I know that I will still make it. It's as if I'm just depositing my money and keeping with them, right? Of course, I know that tomorrow or next tomorrow, I gotta make it out, man. I gotta make it out of the market. So I will not just lose my money and leave it for them. Come on, man. Definitely, if I lose this week, next week I'm not gonna be losing. I must make sure that I recover, because forex trading is business. Forex trading is business. Treat it as business. Never treat it as if just you are playing. Deposit your money tomorrow, you blow your account. Deposit again. Next tomorrow, you blow it. You continue to kind of dash your money to brokers, right? Come on, man. Stop dashing your money to brokers. It's better you invest yourself than for you investing in broker by giving them your money and blowing your account, right? So what I mean by investing yourself, look out for your best trader or your best guru that you can think of. Go out if they have course, buy their course and see how far you can improve by buying their course. Once you purchase it and see, how you can improve yourself. So that's what I mean by invest in yourself and stop depositing money and keep on blowing it, overblowing, and later on you say, come on, this forex trading is just a scam and things like that. Forex trading is not a scam, man. It's not a scam. So, excuse me. Let me take some water, man. Come on, bro. Taking some water. I can take water. So yeah, took some water so that it can keep me hydrated, right? We have to stay hydrated because it is very, very important, man. So yeah, that's all about leverage. That's all about leverage. So I was just trying to answer your question. The person that asked us about using leverage, right? You just take the one as your main capital, you multiply it by the leverage that you're using. So that's it. What leverage does is it allows you to place more trade on your account compared it to if you are just trading with your main capital. So that's the meaning of leverage, and that's how it works. So I don't know if you have more question regarding leverage, or your question has been answered. Then if so, we move and go ahead to another thing, right? So yeah, the next pair that we have right here, according to what the person said, is Euro USD, right? So okay, because I'm trying to follow this like gradual, like how do I put it? I'm trying to follow it accordingly. I'm just following it accordingly. I don't want to miss anybody's comment and say, okay, Israel don't care about me, or Israel did not even check what I say he checked for me, right? I'm trying to follow everything in order so that I cannot just forget about some people are throwing behind, So that's all about leverage. So how can I clear this, man? Okay, since we are done with the Euro USD, let me just clear everything, because I will still do my analysis later on. So I just did that so that you can understand what I'm seeing in the market as well. Euro USD, or is Euro USD? Okay, I think this is Euro USD. All right. So this is Euro USD. Okay, so Euro USD is still flying to the upside, right? And you see, if you zoom out, you know, there's a lot of demand to the upside. So I use supply and demand as well, man. I use supply and demand. I use supply and demand. I don't know if you use it, but me personally, I use a lot of supply and demand. Okay, so yeah, this is Euro USD right now, daily time frame, and you see this is where I'll be expecting it to come. But most importantly, I will need you to break out of some structures first. So basically, I just zoom out. So I say that the maximum that I can put is about 5, right? So that's the maximum that I can put, and this is my support and resistance on the daily time frame. See that? But keep in mind though, you still have another support right here. Keep that in mind. So if the market breaks out of this, the next support is gonna be here, and it's about 500 or something pips, man. I think it will be a right time to swing it again. Come on, man. We are all about swing trading. We are all about swing trading. Let's see how far it moves. 4-hour time frame. This is 4-hour. And you see what is happening on the 4-hour time frame right now. So you see, I'll be expecting the market to come up to this level. Well, once it's able to break out of this zone and close above it, you know, from there it might continue to push to the upside. But right now, you guys still remember when I gave you guys a signal right here, right? So this one is, I gave it to my students. So they've been taking about 300 something pips if we swing it, right? But we did not swing it. We took our final take profit right here. So of course my intention was not to say was not to just send you guys about swing trading the other time, right? So of course, you know, we are swinging Euro JPY right now. We are swinging Euro JPY, and how many pips are we on Euro JPY? We are about 133 pips on Euro JPY. 133 pips on Euro JPY, and I will swing it all the way to the upside, man. From here, I will swing it to this point for about 400 pips. So don't just ask me, hey Israel, why are you doing this? Why are you doing? No, come on, man. I don't talk too much about swing trading right on YouTube. I talk too much about swing trading with my students and things like that, you know. So all I'm doing is to kind of introduce you into the forex market. It's now left for you to dig in deeper so that you can understand how to do it yourself also. But what I'm just doing here is that I'm kind of guiding you and showing you the real way of how you can make it in the forex market, right? So that's it. So let's go back down to Euro USD. So we can analyze it. All right, this is the Euro USD now, and this is 4-hour time frame. Remember, this is our resistance level. So right now, what I'm expecting on Euro USD, where's my rectangle? All right, this is my rectangle, broke out of this zone, and yeah, this is 4-hour time frame. That's good. Since it's able to break out of this, remember we are having another trend line forming right on this. We are having a trend line being formed, you know. I have this trend line. You see that trend line? Of course, if you go down to 1-hour time frame, you see this trend line is gonna rely, you know, kind of align perfectly, you know. You see what is happening on the 1 hour now. So yeah, what I'm expecting is I will expect the market to continue to move just a little bit to this point before I will expect it to sell to this point. And if I see a breakout of my trend line, Then I'll expect it to retest to this point before it continue to move to this point, right? But if it's not able to do this, and if it breaks out of my resistance line and close above it and continue to push to the upside, you know what is going to happen next? I'm going to expect it to continue to move to my next resistance line, which is right above, which is this one. I'll expect it to come up to this level. But most importantly, let's see how it plays around this zone when the market opens. So this is what I'm saying on the Euro USD, right? That's what I'm seeing on it. So if you have any question, you can start asking about the Euro USD before we go ahead. You can start asking it right now. Come on. So which other pair do we have? We are getting out of time now. We are getting out of time now. We are getting out of time now, man. So it is what it is. So yeah, let me check next pair that we have. So we check Euro USD. We explain about leverage and which best to use. Okay, so the person was asking of which best leverage to use. The best is, me personally, I'm using 1 to 200 leverage on my official account, like, you know, on my main account, right? I use 1 to 2 leverage. That is 1 to 200. That's what I use on my account. And which best to use? Do you use Fibonacci time zone? Fibonacci retracement, not Fibonacci time zone. I don't know what you mean by Fibonacci time zone, man. I don't know what you mean by Fibonacci time zone. That true? You are speaking the truth. Thank you very much. You are really doing great, sir. I appreciate it. Do you? Israel, brother, man. I'm here. It's been a while. Oh, come on, man. You are welcome, bro. How are you doing? Hope you good, man. Uptrend. That's cool. So, how many trade you trade? How many trade do you take a week, bro? I can't just say, but I usually take 1 to 3 trade every day. So 1 to 3, which basically means that every week the highest trade that I can take is about 15, right? Because if I take 3 trade per day, because I usually go for 1 to 3 trade per day. So if you multiply 3 by 5, you know, it's gonna give us about 15, right? So which basically means that the highest trade I can just get in is 15. And of course, it doesn't happen, bro. It doesn't happen. Because I don't usually get in, get out of the market. I don't do that. So the highest I can enter for a week is about 15 trade. That's it. But at minimum of 5 every day, I like to take one trade, even if it's not a swing trade, even if it's about 50 bips, you know, I will just take it and close it, because I usually take one trade every day. That's just my trading style. That's how I am. Even my students can attest to that, because that's what we do. And somebody is saying approaching strong resistance. Okay, this was for GBP USD, right? You go to lower time frame, you draw your key levels on daily time frame. Now, you know, a lot of things. Boss of bosses. All right. Who is saying Photoshop? A lot of them, bro. People are crazy. Yeah. No be by force to believe. Yeah, bro. No be by force to believe, man. It's not by force. We are really enjoying your teaching, sir. Okay, Maiden. Okay, all right. I think I've read that before. Forex is easy. Psychology is the cocoa. Yes, man. Come on. Psychology is the cocoa, man. It's the cocoa. Yeah. Without psychology and without you able to control your emotion, you're not going to be a profitable trader. Please, what do you think about What do you think about GBP NZD? All right, I will try and check GBP NZD. And somebody is saying, what do you think about gold? Okay, so the next way that we have now is GBP NZD and gold, right? Which is XAU USD. Somebody is saying why they are bad mouthing you making cool money. Yeah, for sure, man. It is what it is. Somebody is saying, so what will you be using as an entry trigger, and what time frame will you be using for entry on GBP USD? Yeah, I use 5 minutes and 15 minutes time frame. So it depends on the price action signal that I see when the market opens, right? I move with the market. I move with the market. Right now, I cannot give you the price action signal, but when the market opens, you see that I'm active by then. I will be active by then, man. So that's it. Which broker are you huh? Come on. Which broker are you using? Okay. Which broker are you using? I use Traders Way and I use IC Market. These are the two brokers that I use like officially right now. So I don't know in the near future if there are so many brokers that will come up, I can still use it. But I'm using IC Market and Traders Way right now. So how do you mark supply and demand? Yeah, supply and demand is kind of technical. How do you use supply and demand? Yeah, we can use it. GBP NZD, please. All right, I'll check GBP NZD. Is there any particular session that you use for entries, e.g., New York, London, blah blah blah? Right? If you see me doing blah 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 blah, so I don't, there are some things that I don't want to be exposing on YouTube, man. I notice you don't really trade gold. You do it once in a while. Yeah, for sure, man. I do trade gold once in a while. Once in a while. Any even US 30, I do trade it once in a while. Even Nasdaq, I do trade it once in a while. Even volatility 75, I do trade it once in a while. Not need for you to be pushing or following all these um volatile pairs. Don't follow them bumper to bumper, man. Don't do that. If you do that, you end up blowing your accounts. You end up blowing your account. So I'm telling you the real truth. If you try to follow volatility 75, follow US 30, follow Nasdaq, follow gold, follow all these volatile pairs, you will just end up blowing your account, man. You just end up blowing your account. So the thing there is that follow these slow pairs if you are trying to grow your account. Follow them. So the next pair that we have is GBP USD and gold, right? I'll try to analyze them so that we can know what we are going to be expecting next week when the market opens, right? And of course, somebody is saying hi from FXC chart. Okay, that is FX Capital, right? Come on, bro. You are welcome. You are welcome, and I appreciate your presence right here. Thank you very much for checking on us. This is because of you guys. That's the reason why me too, I'm here live and direct. So yeah, if you are not subscribed to the channel yet, what are you waiting for, man? Come on, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share with your friends and family. Make sure you follow us on our social media handles, Facebook, Telegram, Instagram, Twitter. Follow us on them so that we can be connected, right? I appreciate all of you guys' presence right on this channel. I appreciate it, man. I appreciate it. So let's go down and start analyzing GBP NZD and gold, right? Remember last week I said it hit our stop loss, right? Despite the fact that I had this my trend line, but our stop loss, I did not trade it. I did not trade it, to be honest with you. I did not trade this pair. I just did the analysis and leave it, No need for you to be trading everything, bro. So yeah, it's kind of interesting. It's kind of interesting because it's gonna be a swing trade, man. Come on. It's gonna be a swing sell on the swing sell, swing sell, swing sell. There is a reason why I say it's gonna be a swing sell on this. I don't know if you are seeing what I'm saying right on this. I don't know, but all I know is that I'm seeing what I'm seeing, right? I'm seeing what I'm seeing, bro. I'm seeing what I'm saying. My support got broken and I will expect it to come all the way to this point, man. Come on. So I will expect some sort of retracement right now to come up and retest to the upside right here. and maybe it will continue to move to the downside, right? But we will see what is going to happen when the market opens. So, and of course, that's what I'm seeing on this trade, on this pair being GBP USD. You see this trend line respecting it to the downside, right? So I don't mean somebody saw this right here. This is a Tuesday stop. Maybe somebody saw this here. You would have taken about crazy pips, man. About 700 pips. Oh my goodness. That's a lot, bro. So yeah, I will expect GBP USD to come up for retracement before it continues the move to the downside. That's what I'm seeing on this. Of course, I'm trying to save time, guys. Trying to save time. That's why you see me just doing all this kind of stuff. All this kind of stuff, man. So yeah, that's it. And believe me or not, my students are profitable, man. They are very, very profitable. Maybe I will try and show you what they are saying in the group chat and things like that. So you see a volatility 75 is still pushing to the downside, like I've said, right? You come down to this point, man, before you to start to buy. Yeah, that's it. So yeah, just let me know if you have some questions. I'm trying to save time right here because I have a lot to do as well. I have a lot to do, so it is what it is. Trying to save time, man. And what am I supposed to do next? Okay, we are supposed to take gold, check gold, right? Which is XA USD. I have it right here as well. This is it. XA USD. So actually, I have my analysis on XA USD as well. Yeah. So you know, I'm still expecting a sell on gold, and this is what I'm seeing on gold. Gold will actually come up for retracements to come up to this point before it moves again to the downside. And of course, I'm seeing a lot of pairs are going to sell next week, man. A lot of pairs they are going to be selling next week. So you see, gold is going to be like, you know, boom, to the downside. To be like, come on, man, I'm able to break out of this. Let's go down, you know. That's what gold is trying to do right now. So yeah, I'm just expecting gold to come up and come for adjustments before it continue to push to the downside, right? That's what I'm expecting on gold right now. There's nothing much for me to do the analysis, do this now. I'm just expecting gold to come up for retracement before it continue to sell to the downside when the market opens next week, right? That's what I'm seeing on that. So yeah, those are the pairs that we had, and right now we might call it a day or things like that, right? We might call it a day. So yeah, guys, thank you very much for each and every one of you that has been here watching the live stream and things like that. So of course we've done like 1 hour 30 minutes right now, but you know, my intention here was just to spend 1 hour with you guys before I cut off the stream, right? But now, you know, we had a lot of things to discuss about and things like that. So of course we are able to discuss some of them. Hopefully you've learned a lot today, right? You've learned a lot. And of course, if you are not learning anything, come on, man, that means you know, why am I even coming to live stream if you're not learning anything out of this live streaming stuff that I'm doing? So make sure that you learn something out of it, right? So maybe tomorrow we will still come back live and direct again and do a live analysis with you guys, right? So that we can know what we are going to be expecting when the market opens. So it is very, very good for us to be doing the analysis, man. So yeah, once more again, I really appreciate your presence and I really appreciate it. When I mean I appreciate it, bro. So thank you very much for your presence and your time, and I will see you next time in our YouTube video or in the live stream, right? So any one of them, either way, you'll still come in, right? So thank you very much. That is the end of the stream, man. And of course, if you are still new here and you are not yet subscribed, all I need from you, just subscribe to the channel, like the video, share with your friends and family that might find this video or might find this video very information helpful as well, right? That's it. So follow us on Telegram, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook right there. There we go. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Have a good night and good day. I'm signing out. Israel the Trader, man.